Did you ever think what is all matter and material made up of? Do you know where we get all resources from? Why are the three states of matter different from each other? Atoms, being so tiny, have particles inside them. Curious to know? Science makes you explore, think, and wonder. Hello children, welcome to our first science class. Since we are learning online, I'll be sending you videos of what has to be learned from our science resource book. I'll be planning tasks and activities that help you learn and understand big ideas better. Okay? But before we start, please be ready with your science resource book, journal, pencil, and an eraser. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes. So let's get started. We have 10 big ideas of science in our resource book, right? Today, let's start with big idea of science 1. Do you remember what does big idea 1 say? Big idea 1 says, all the material in the universe is made up of very small particles. All the material? Now let's understand the word material first. Material is matter or substance from which other things are made. You all know that our universe is very huge, right? And it is made up of sun, moon, stars, planets, galaxies, and also many other living and non-living things, right? All of this around us is material. And our big idea 1 says, all this material is made up of very small tiny particles. Interesting, right? But before we go further, let's have a recap of resources. Do you remember what do we get from nature? Yes, air, water, sunlight, plants, animals, and many more things. Okay, and what are these called? Yes, these are called natural resources. Since we get all these things from nature, they are named natural resources. Now let's understand the word resource. Can you see few things in the picture? Sun, water, pencil, eraser, papers. All of these are resources. Okay, we use sun's light and heat. We use water to drink and bathe and for other chores. We use pencil to write. We use eraser to erase. And we use papers to write on it. So, all of these are resources. Anything which is used by us when needed is called a resource. Resources can be natural or man-made. In the given picture, sun and water are natural resources because we get these from nature. Whereas pencil, eraser, and papers are man-made resources because they are made by man. I hope you understood the difference between natural and man-made resources. Now let's see, what does our earth give us? What do we get from our earth? Air, food, place to live. Oh, we get only these? Earth gives us only these? No. Earth gives us a lot many things. We get many raw materials from our planet Earth, which are all natural resources. We get raw materials like oil, coal, iron, gold, silver, diamonds, and many other things. And we use these raw materials to make things which we need for our comfort. And those things which are made out of raw materials are called finished products. Let me explain. Okay, let us take an example of chapati. What do we require to make a chapati? We require wheat flour, we require water and little salt, right? We mix all of these, make it into a dough and make chapatis out of the dough, right? So, the raw materials here to make chapati are wheat flour, water and salt, whereas chapati is the finished product. Okay, so similarly, all the things around you are made out of raw materials and those are finished product. Your book, your chair, your laptop, all these are finished product which are made out of raw materials. Now, let's understand the difference between raw materials and finished products. Okay, raw materials are materials which are used to make things which we use. Okay, whereas finished products are things which are made out of raw materials. I hope you understood the difference. Now let's see example of chapati. So in example of chapati, wheat flour, water and salt were raw materials, right? Chapati is finished product. Got it? Okay. Now it's task time. Let's see what is your class task for today. Okay, your class task is to read pages 11 and 12 from your science resource book. Please pause the video and finish reading them completely. Okay, so after reading pages 11 and 12, please open your science journal and put today's date, write day below it, okay, and write class task in the first line, on the first line in the center of the page. Now come to next line, put big idea of science 1 as heading. Okay, after writing this, write big idea of science 1 from your resource book. Okay, after finishing this, leave a line and then put the heading as I am learning to write few natural resources. I hope you know what are natural resources now, right? So you may copy from the picture or you may copy from the PDF given. Okay, please write natural resources as shown in the picture. Now coming to your evening task. Let's see what is your evening task. So you will read pages 11 and 12 again. And the writing task is you have to find out what are the raw materials required for making pencil and a cake. Okay, you may take help of your parents for your inquiry. Okay, please write what are the raw materials required for making pencil and cake. Parents, please help them submitting the task by turning it in. Okay, now that's all for today. Let's meet in the next class. Bye children.